about a penalty. Let's go and have a look if Mahlambi was struck by Omar Komara. If you can look at it, you'll see that the referee Orlando Kwinda is looking at the player crossing the ball, but inside something happens there. There's a player down there which is Mhlambi. What happened will show you that you can see there's a striking an opponent, and when you strike an opponent inside the penalty area, a penalty will be awarded for striking an opponent inside the penalty area. It was not awarded. Asisa Sekang, incorrect decision. Let's go to the next one. We see we're going to CAF now. Mamelodi Sundowns and Remo. Now, here we see Tashreeq Matthews there being kicked by Adidayo at the back. This is what we call reckless tackle. Reckless tackle is when a player acts with disregard to the danger or consequences for his opponent. Look at it there. You can see that this is reckless tackle. So here, a yellow card should have been given to Adidayo, but it was not given. Incorrect decision by the referee not to give a yellow card for this second, Asisa Sekang. Let's go to the next one. Are we going to Mukuku? Right. Let's go and have a look. What has he done inside the penalty area there? You can see that he's wearing just number 36. Not that. Just number 36. What does he do? He does what Zidane did, headbutting. This is a red card. This is violent contact. The ball is out of play. Red card. You are supposed to get the red card. And then Lemkajela tried to retaliate. And then Fanawa Val Ata Murema no. Utsibu Shaba ko Toyandoman. It is one go Val Veta Joan. Harbon here. This is what Muremi did. This is violent contact. I'm with Safasi. Then the referees are having a conference there to discuss as to who must be sent off. Let's see. They sent off number 4, which is Sumbu. Is it the correct player? The answer is no. Asisa Sekang Lana. Because the player was supposed to be sent off. Look at the head there. It's like Mukuku here. And then he's pointing at Muremi. Muremi indeed get a red card, which is correct decision to give Muremi, but incorrect for Mukoko. Asisa Sekang. Let's go to the last one. They say offside situation. Whenever there's Pulemodi, there's offside situation. Right, you see Ecuador taking a shot, Mobi finishes up with a goal. Was this goal scored in line with the FIFA laws of the game? The answer is no. We'll show you the reason. The reason is offside. Let's have a look. You can see it's in an offside position. The ball deflects and it goes to him. Therefore, when he plays it, then correct decision by the center of it to flag for offside. So this is the right decision that we want.